Hey guys, sorry I know we're already well into the week. Just thought I'd go through our objectives this week, and the assignments and activities. We're covering section 6.4 all the way to 6.9. So make sure you study those and do the practice quizzes and all the labs, so you can familiarize yourself. That'll make sure that you're ready for this week's quiz. And then make sure you post your part one of our fourth exploration activity by the end of the week. And it's pretty straightforward. As always, reach out if you have any questions. There's still a few of you who have some missing quizzes. If that's you, please shoot me an email. And like I've been saying, we'll work something out grade-wise. That's fair. And I'm more than willing to allow for retakes. So reach out to me, and we'll make it work. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good week.